Don't wanna grow another day, run around and always play. You're Jack Sparrow and I'm a dinosaur. Don't wanna grow another day. Now I miss you and I want you to be there again. Don't wanna grow another day. We can say forever young, fall in love with the rest unsung. Please hold my hand and ask me out to prom, and we can stay forever young.
Ay, sa sasakyan, bubunggoin nila tayo. Pagbilis-bilis nila. Oh no!
Guess saan kami? Ang hirap mag-greet mga. Dapat nasa malayo kami para maka-gate. Sumusulpot ka bigla sa bahay.
Nakakagulat.
Okay.
Nakakatatot.
Happy birthday, mami.
Happy birthday, mami.
Happy golden birthday ba yan? 50. Golden ba yan? So thank you.
Rovid.
Rovid, thank you po sa lahat ng iyong
Ginagawa para sa amin.
and suporta.
Mga paghihirap. At ang mga hindi paghihirap.
Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan.
HBD.
Dapat naka-slow mo ate ah.
Kung tayo talaga.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wow, golden birthday na rin, G. Happy birthday. Stay healthy, stay safe, and ingat palagi kahit saan ka na naroon. Ingat sa pagbabalik mo sa iyong birthdays and stay gorgeous and sexy as you are like me. Happy 50th birthday. I love you. Hi, G. My bestie. A very good friend of mine since elementary until forever. Happy birthday to you. Happy 50th birthday. Hope you will enjoy your celebration with your family and our friends over there. Regards na lang ko sa ilahang tanan. And 50 is just a number. We're heading there. I'm wishing you good health, good life always. And hopefully magkita ta ulit pud puhon. Kung makaulit mi puhon. Magkita ta pati ikaw o ako. And we will spend time together again. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Celebrate, your life. And then be happy. God bless always. Happy birthday. I love you. Love you. Bye.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Happy golden, happy 50th. No, ang bilis lang din talaga ng panahon. Time flies so fast talaga. Parang nung dati lang ka lang 30, no? So, parang biglang 50 ka na ngayon. Bilis lang din talaga. Just want to say thank you for all the things you have done for us. Alam mo yun. I'm very grateful for all the things that you have done for us, no? Especially sa mga sacrifices mo. No, it's hard from you to work from abroad, work far from us. Especially marami kang na miss na gathering, family gathering, important matters with your friends. Alam mo yun? In general, malayo din talaga ganun sa pamilya, sa mismo kinalakihan mo, you know. That's why of all the things that I admire from you is your resilience. Alam mo yun? Sobrang tatag mo as nanay to go, you know, I mean, to go to abroad. Alam mo yun, uncertainty. Siyempre dati, di ba? Di ka naman din talaga sure. Tapos mayroon ka pang ganun na, yung sa dati, London ganun. So parang, di ba, yung resilience mo din talaga, na magtiyaga din talaga na magpursige na pumunta ng abroad to provide a better future from us. No? Kaya I always admire your resilience din talaga, kay sobrang tatag mo talaga na mami. Na I wish you good health. I mean, syempre dapat maabot ka pa ng 100. Ano ba yan? Ganun ba? Para masaya. Abot ka pa dun sa great, di ba? Mga apu-apuhan. I pray your wishes come true, ma'am. Alam ko marami ka pang gustong, alam yan, gawin. Marami ka pang gusto. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung buhay mo, no? Alam mo yan. Soon. I hope things get better for you, ma'am. I wish you all the best. For the best mom in the world. I love you, mom. Happy birthday.